Hi leaders, Mrs. Hutchins here again. We are going to be talking today about fractions on a number line, but what happens when it's more than one unit? Well, when you look at these number lines, you'll notice they're all greater than 1 unit. My first number line goes from 0 to 1 to 2, so it has 2 whole units. A unit is a whole. Let's move to the second one. I have 1, 2, 3 whole units. You'll notice on my number line, I like to make sure that I draw my 1 whole unit to make sure I remember, each of those units is going to be split into equal sized pieces. Let's look at our third one. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we have fractions that are greater than 1 unit, you might notice something different about the numerators and denominators. Sometimes you can have a numerator that's greater than the denominator. This means that that fraction is greater than 1 whole. Okay, let's continue looking. So when I go ahead and I find out, this fraction, or this number line has 2 whole units, I'm going to start down here, and I know from 0 to 1, it has 3 equal sized pieces. If I count the number of pieces, and not the lines, I notice it has 3 equal sized pieces. So I'm going to start here and I'll label 0 thirds, 1 third, 2 thirds, 3 thirds. Oh yeah, 3 thirds is equal to 1 whole. Let's move to our next unit. Our next unit is 1 to 2. We'll start at 3 thirds and I'll count 4 thirds, 5 thirds, 6 thirds. You'll notice it's still split into 3 equal sized pieces, but I have more than 1. I have 4 out of the 3 equal sized pieces, 5 out of the 3 equal sized pieces, and 6 out of the 3 equal sized pieces. All right, let's look at the second number line. The second number line has 3 units. I know each unit is split into 2 equal sized pieces. Think, what do we call when there's 2 equal sized pieces? What do we call that? If you said halves, you are correct. I have 0 halves, 1 half, 1 whole. 1 whole is equal to 2 halves. Now it's greater than 1 unit because I know my numerator is bigger than my denominator. So it's still split in half, but I have 3 halves. 4 halves is equal to 2. 5 halves, 6 halves is equal to 3. All right, let's continue looking. Let's look at our third number line. Our third number line has 4 units. When I split these up, that means each unit is split into an equal sized pieces. So I have 0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. From 0 to 1, that 1 unit has 4 fourths, or 4 equal sized pieces. My second unit, 4 fourths, 5 fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths, 8 fourths. 8 fourths is equal to 2 wholes. 9 fourths, 10 fourths, 11 fourths, 12 fourths is equal to 3 wholes. And let's continue. We still have 1 more unit. So from 3 to 4, I'm going to split that up into 4 equal sized pieces. I'll start with 12 fourths, 13 fourths, 14 fourths, 15 fourths, 16 fourths. 16 fourths is equal to 4 wholes.